Hi friends, today we'll be learning how to design a PCB in an easy way. Fritzing is a software. It's a open source software where you can design PCBs without much hassle. You need not know the electrical components and all those. You need not design the schematic. You can just do normal connections just like a breadboard, and the PCB will be automatically designed. Let us do a sample program or PCB designing. So let's take an LED and place it here, and these two rows will be connected horizontally. So this is one single row. As you can see, if I select one row, this is the entire connection and this is the next connection. While coming to the middle section, it's vertical connections. So for most of the components we take vertical connections, and for connecting them with either positive or negative terminals we use the horizontal connectors. And let's just take an on-off switch, then take a battery, here we select the components that we need, and if we don't have any components we can search for those components online, how to get a component ESP32 or Arduino Nano for fritzing. Then you can download that and import here, and after that take the positive terminal, connect it to one end of the switch, and take another terminal and connect here. Take the ground and connect to the LED, and once this is done, you can see there's a sample PCB is generated, and once this is generated we can realign it, or we can use auto rotate as well. If there are many components you can use auto rotate, but the design won't be as neat as we want it. But if you don't want auto rotate, we can just manually set the path so that it would look much neater. And once this is done, you can remove the back frame, and you can remove the silk bottom layer, top layer as well. And once you get this, you can then export it as an image, take it as a PDF format. That would be easier. And once this is done, you can print it out with an actual size and you can make your own PCB. Thank you.